I'm just not going to identify if I haven't broken the law.
Listen, man, we've had a lot of people killed in the past couple months.
It's all because I'm recording.
So are you going to ID yourself now that I told you multiple times why we stopped you?
No.
We are trying to help people.
I'm going to stand over here and I'm going to face away from these bright ass lights in my face, and you can have them in your face if you want.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In late July of 2024, State Audit was at work when he heard yelling in the street. He walked out towards the noise as Officer Kory Blevins was driving down the road.
I think there's a fight. I think this cop's about to arrest these people.
Instead, Officer Blevins performed a U-turn, hitting the parking stop before driving towards State Audit.
I thought there was a fight, but maybe not. But he's speeding and hitting like the parking things and...
After turning around again, Officer Blevins positioned his cruiser to block the driveway and activates his emergency lights.
What's up?
Officer Blevins, police department, I'm in contact with you. You're on a closed business lot.
Yeah, I work there. I have permission to be there.
And then, are you parked blocking the alley?
I'm not.
That's not your car you just parked over there?
Yeah, I'm not blocking the alley. What did you say your name was?
Officer Blevins.
Blevins. Okay.
You have
did you hit that curb over there whenever you were turning around?
No, I did not.
Okay.
Do you have anything showing that you're allowed to be on this lot?
I mean, I work for Smart Living.
This is New Care Dimensions. Is it Smart Living?
Yeah, I know. I'm not parked here.
But you're on the closed business lot. You're standing on it.
This is the pub. No, I'm not giving you my ID. You're going to take me to jail before you get my ID.
You're on a closed business lot.
I'm on public easement right here. You see the... Do you not see how this is the public easement right here?
Do you see how you're inside the light pole?
Do you see how I don't care what you're saying right now? You're either going to take me to jail, I'm not giving you my ID. Yeah, copy. And you're not going to get my ID, so I'm not breaking the law. This is public easement.
Kory Blevins is a fresh boot, having graduated the academy just over a year ago, and only passing his field training just 9 months prior. As such, it appears he requires the assistance of a supervisor for a man standing on a public easement, filming him.
Is there a problem?
Closed business lot. You're refusing identifiers.
How is this a closed business lot? This right here, underneath this power pole right here, is not public easement. You're
Hey, could you go back to where you were? You were over here. So you're inside the closed business lot. So, thank you.
No, I'm not. You're still wrong.
Okay.
Take me to jail.
Okay.
I'm going to stand over here and I'm going to face away from these bright ass lights in my face, and you can have them in your face if you want.
State happens to work in this lot, but he is currently standing here. The rookie is demanding ID because the business nearly 200 feet behind him is closed, even though he never entered that parking lot. The rookie is arguing that the spot State is standing is not an easement for pedestrian travel. Fortunately, most cities, including Joplin, Missouri, have a website with a geographic information system, otherwise known as GIS, that shows the exact boundaries of every street and property in the city. And luckily, it only takes about 20 seconds to find your exact location on the map. Here we can see that everywhere State has referenced is on a public easement, and he has never entered the property, even if he stands where the rookie wants him to.
So you're just upset that I'm recording you?
I genuinely don't care. You're on a closed business lot.
Well, you probably have better things to do than to harass me, right?
I'm not harassing you by doing my job.
Oh, am I free to go then? Then I'm detained? Okay.
You're on a closed business lot.
Okay. I'm detained for being in a closed business lot. Let me make sure I can get those power poles in there right there and all the lines right above me.
That's a power line.
Power lines? Oh, yeah. So he's going to be a dick, too.
I'm not being a dick. I was just correcting you.
You were just correcting me because you're being a dick?
I don't understand why.
Didn't I correct myself whenever I said power pole and then I said power lines? So I corrected myself. You look really professional with those cat buttholes you got in your ears right there. Yeah. Am I free to go or am I still being detained? Okay. Gotcha. Blevins. Call PD 2773. Wasting his time, wasting our dollars. By doing your job. This is what his job is.
Making contact with people who are violating city ordinances, yes.
Yeah, this is a city ordinance because I'm in a closed business lot right here on the side of the street. There's no sidewalk, and this is definitely public easement.
Perhaps now realizing how ridiculous this contact appears, as his supervisor arrives, the rookie claims that 4-State is walking on the wrong side of the street, as state law requires pedestrians walk on the side of the road opposing the direction of traffic.
And on top of that, you're walking alongside of the roadway. You're supposed to be walking against traffic, not with traffic.
I'm not in the road.
Okay, so you're not.
So you're just looking for a reason to be a dick. You're just giving me reasons to be a dick. No, I'm not.
Sergeant Ketrina Jones now arrives on scene.
Sarge, this gentleman does not want to identify himself because he's on closed business lot.
I thought that this obviously looks like public easement. I mean, I wasn't going to walk in the middle of the road. So he wants me to ID because apparently I'm in a closed business lot because I'm walking down the road.
You're walking the wrong side. And he says he will not identify and have to.
I'm just not going to identify if I haven't broken a law, and I don't feel like I have broken a law.
Okay, this place actually has a trespass affidavit on file. Nobody's allowed to be on their property.
Right, that's why I'm not on their property. I'm on the public easement, which is right underneath the power pole. Power lines, sorry. I know he likes to correct people when they say the wrong word. I'm just not going to ID, so he can either take me to jail or he can leave.
Sergeant Jones returns to her vehicle to assist the rookie in his retaliatory stop. Then Blevins remembers seeing 4-State filming on a previous police interaction.
I've seen you on a stop before out on the bridge.
What?
I said, I've been with you on a stop before out on the bridge. I didn't bother you.
Okay.
I didn't care that you filmed.
Right.
So I'm
But
doing my
now
job
now you
based on
do.
closed
But
business.
now you do now that I'm walking on what I would call a public easement.
Closed business lot.
It doesn't matter just because you didn't say anything to me the first day or maybe said 2 words to me the first day. It doesn't really matter. You may have been nice then. Are you being nice now? No.
How's it I'm not being nice because I'm doing my job?
You're trying to uphold something that isn't even
A city
legitimate.
ordinance that is in Joplin.
No, dude. You're trying to say that what that I'm loitering in it? Or are you saying that I'm loitering in it?
That's a trespass affidavit.
Are you saying that I'm loitering in it?
Are you standing in it?
Did
Not moving?
no? Am I standing in their lot?
Yes.
Is this their lot right here? Is this their lot?
But that's not where you were.
Is this their lot?
That's not where
Is
you were.
this
was it?
their lot right here?
You're on their lot.
Right here is their lot?
So that's where you were at, correct?
This is not their lot, dude. I don't care what you say. And if it was, you would have already done something.
Okay.
Now here, let me stand over here so that I don't have to have this bright ass light in my face.
Several minutes pass since the sergeant has returned to her cruiser.
Public roadway. Even if you're walking on the public and there's no sidewalk provided, you have to walk against traffic, not with it. So you're walking on the
I'm not on the road.
You
So
just
I'm not-
said
I'm
you
not-
walked up the roadway. For
Am
you
I?
to walk up the roadway, you would have to.
Here, look.
Hey,
look.
don't go anywhere.
Oh, am I still detained?
Yes.
Oh yeah, this is ridiculous. You're a total bitch. You're being extremely rude. I can be however I want to be.
I didn't say you couldn't.
You're keeping me from being able to walk, so
You were detained.
right, I'm detained for a non-crime. I mean, you're gonna get a complaint for this, dude. I don't put in complaints, but you're getting a complaint for this. This is totally ridiculous. Am I free to go?
No.
It appears that Sergeant Jones accessed the GIS maps mentioned earlier.
What's up, Sarge?
So if he was walking the wrong way on the wrong side of the road, then I'm totally fine with whatever you want to do. Okay?
Okay.
If he was breaking that law, it's technically not their property, the white part. But if he was, there's no sidewalk provided. If he was walking
So
with traffic, then
I was on a stop when he walked over. Okay. He was walking on the wrong side of the road. He admitted that he walked in the roadway.
This is a prime example of why you should never speak to the cops and let Attorney Shield do the work for you. Many people refer to walking down a sidewalk or easement as, quote, walking down the road, without the phrase translating literally, but the rookie implies that the common phrase is an admission of guilt, as though Forstate was walking in the road in a dangerous manner that would have obstructed traffic. However, if we refer to the beginning of the video, it's clear that Forstate exited his employer's parking lot on the public easement and never stepped foot onto the asphalt. It's also apparent that the rookie didn't even see the 12 steps that Forstate took, that he is now attempting to criminalize. This is the definition of pathetic and weak-brained.
Don't be misspeaking what happened, please.
However, the reason I told him I contacted him was being in the closed business law.
Okay, but you still had another violation.
Correct.
So that's fine. That does not matter. If you have a violation as far as his pedestrian violations, then I am perfectly fine with that.
Okay, sir, I don't know your name. So, correct me if I'm wrong. You walked in the roadway, walked on the roadway to get to the point that you're at now. You said you didn't walk in the grass or anything like that. So how did you walk over here?
Didn't you see me? You were explaining to her what happened, right?
Yeah, so as you even stated yourself, you did not walk in the grass, you walked in the roadway, and you walked over here. Because you didn't walk on that side of the road, correct?
No, I didn't say I walked in the roadway.
So if you didn't walk in the grass, what part did you say you walked in?
Well, you won't let me walk over there to see if there's a... May I walk over there?
Sure.
There's probably a curb or something, right? Is this the roadway or is this public easement?
So you stepped on the roadway there.
And then what? And then walked over here. Of course, your cruiser wasn't here. Is that close enough?
So you stepped in the roadway there, correct? Walking the wrong side?
One step.
Okay.
One step,
How many
two
need your
steps.
driver's license?
No.
Okay. You really want to go to jail because you have...
You really want to take me to jail over me taking 2 steps in the roadway? You really want to do that?
You're walking the wrong side of the roadway, correct?
You're wanting to take me to jail for taking 2. First you say it was because I was trespassing. Okay. It's all because I'm recording. Huh?
I said that. I don't know.
No, he did say that. Yeah.
Listen, man, we've had a lot of people killed in the past couple months because of
With the
pedestrian
camera?
violations.
With the
No, I
camera?
don't give a shit about your camera.
Oh, well, I don't give a shit about what you're talking about.
Okay, well, we are trying to help people so that they don't get hit by
Well,
vehicles.
you don't act like it.
How
You're
did I not
walking
act
on the
like
wrong side of the roadway.
I would love
And
for
you
you to
were
watch
walking
this
the wrong way.
footage. You need to watch his body cam footage whenever he skirted around, and I'm pretty sure he hit one of those parking blocks over there just to turn around to come and then do another U-turn over here on me without his light on over there. So
Didn't touch that.
I'm gonna rewatch that.
Doing U-turns in a roadway.
Well, I'm just saying, when you're talking about pedestrian safety and he's flipping a U-turn right in front of a bunch of
Did he?
pedestrians,
Did he hit anybody?
I don't know. I couldn't see it.
Okay. We're trying to protect people from getting hit by vehicles. You were walking on the wrong side of the roadway in the dark in a very unlit area.
But you guys have me standing in the street, detained.
You asked to walk over
You
here.
asked to
We're just
walk over
stopping.
here.
I don't want to stand in the street anymore.
Okay.
But I'm going to listen to what you say.
You can
So-
step back over there.
Over there or over there?
You can step right over there.
You still want me in the roadway?
So are you going to ID yourself
No.
now that I told you
No.
multiple times why we stopped you?
No.
Okay, do me a favor, turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Yep.
Forstate was arrested and taken to jail, where he was charged with pedestrian in a roadway and obstruction, but in August of 2024, he attempted to speak with the prosecutor.
Are you the defendant?
Yeah.
The victim? Are you the one that was charged?
Yes.
Okay. The prosecutor doesn't speak to defendants, and he would suggest that you would hire an attorney.
I already have.
Okay?
What do you mean he doesn't speak to defendants?
No, because you're the defendant and we're the prosecutor.
I was just coming in about my discovery request that I put in.
Oh, okay. And you put it in last week?
Yeah.
And what is your name? Let me check and see, when's your court date?
The 15th.
August 15th?
Yeah.
And who's your attorney?
They should have also placed a discovery request the day after I was arrested.
Let me pull your file.
Hi.
Okay.
Here, I'll
I
let me
refused to sign the ticket.
Huh?
I refused to sign the ticket, so
What
there's
is
no charge against you.
Oh, there was no
It's
charge?
all done. It's all
Oh,
done.
can I get some, can I?
The officer gave you the ticket.
Okay.
That's all they
And,
need to give you. At this point.
and then what about my discovery?
There's no discovery if there's no ticket, so there's no charge.
Okay. Well, then I just need to file a sunshine request to pull their body
However
cam.
you want to go about doing that is fine with me. So,
Okay. Well, I appreciate you dropping the charges, sir.
you bet.
And
Well, they didn't really drop it. I refused to sign it. So
which means that, what does that mean exactly?
it means that there's no charge.
Hopefully, the prosecutor's refusal to pursue such petty bullshit and for state's internal affairs complaints for the unprofessionalism and manufacturing of a crime to interfere with his constitutionally protected activity, as well as the incoming civil actions, create long-lasting memories for this rookie. For State is seeking references for civil rights attorneys in Missouri. So, if you have a recommendation, please email me directly or contact For State through his YouTube channel, which will be linked below. If you enjoyed this presentation, like and share it, and choose your next adventure by clicking one of the videos on screen.